Welcome to another exciting episode of Beyond the Block, where we unravel the mysteries of the crypto world. Today, we bring you the ultimate face-off, Layer 1 versus Layer 2. Layer 1, also known as the base layer, is the foundation of blockchain technology. It's all about building from scratch, creating a robust network with its own blockchain. Bitcoin and Ethereum are examples of Layer 1 solutions. On the other hand, Layer 2 is all about scalability and improving the user experience. It's like adding an extra layer on top of the existing blockchain to enhance its capabilities. Lightning Network and Plasma are popular Layer 2 solutions. Now let's talk about the advantages. Layer 1 offers maximum security, decentralization, and guarantees the immutability of transactions. It sets the fundamental rules that cannot be compromised. However, Layer 1 has its limitations. It can be slower and more expensive as every transaction needs to be processed on-chain. This congestion can cause delays and increase transaction fees. Here comes Layer 2 to the rescue. It allows faster and cheaper transactions by conducting most of them off-chain. Layer 2 solutions provide scalability, making it possible to process thousands of transactions per second. But wait, there's more to this showdown. We cannot overlook interoperability. Layer 1 provides limited compatibility with other blockchains, whereas Layer 2 solutions can potentially bridge different Layer 1 blockchains together. So, which one is the best? It depends on the specific needs of the user. Layer 1 is ideal for those seeking ultimate security and decentralization, while Layer 2 is perfect for those craving scalability and cost efficiency. In the end, it's not a battle between Layer 1 and Layer 2, but rather a collaboration. Both layers work hand in hand to unlock the full potential of blockchain technology. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the crypto world. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more thrilling episodes.